Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. Airbus Orders, Boeing 737 Retirement, and New Airline Routes. Airbus A320neo dominates orders. Airbus secured significant orders for its A320neo family in 2025, with BOC Aviation ordering 70 A320neos, contributing to a backlog of 232 aircraft, including 737 MAX 8s. The A320neo's fuel efficiency and versatility make it a favorite among lessors and airlines, outpacing Boeing's 737 MAX in net orders. Airbus's backlog reached 8,684 jets by January 2025, with 89% being A220 and A320 family narrowbodies, reflecting strong market demand. Boeing's 737 MAX orders lag. Boeing recorded 4,763 737 MAX orders in its backlog as of March 2025, with 1,784 delivered. Despite orders like Pegasus Airlines' 100 737-10 MAX jets, Boeing faced 192 cancellations in 2024, netting only 377 new orders compared to Airbus's 826. Production constraints and safety concerns, including the Alaska Airlines 737 MAX 9 incident, have slowed Boeing's momentum. American Airlines mixed fleet order. In March 2024, American Airlines ordered 85 Airbus A321neos, 85 Boeing 737 MAX 10s, and 90 Embraer E175s, signaling confidence in both manufacturers. The A321neo supports domestic and short-haul international growth, while the uncertified 737 MAX 10 aims to replace older 737s. American included financial protections in case of MAX 10 certification delays, reflecting caution. Boeing 737-200 nears extinction. The Boeing 737-200, part of the 737 original series, is nearly retired, with only about 50 still flying for 30 operators in 2023. Canadian North retired its last 737-200 in early 2023, and operators like Nolanor Aviation and Air Inuit continue with small fleets. The oldest, CGNLK, Nolanor, has flown since 1974. Newer 737 MAX and A320neo aircraft are replacing these aging jets. 737 Classic Series fades out. The Boeing 737 Classic Series, 737-300, 400-500s, produced from 1984 to 2000, is being phased out. Southwest Airlines retired its 737-300 fleet in 2017. Replacing them with 737 MAX 8s. The Classic's high fuel costs and outdated technology make them less economical compared to the A320neo and 737 MAX, driving retirements. 737 MAX production challenges. Boeing struggles to meet its FAA-approved 737 MAX production rate of 38 aircraft per month, delivering only 30 in January 2025. A 2024 strike and increased quality checks post-Alaska Airlines incident disrupted output. Boeing aims for 42 per month by March 2025 and 50 by 2026, but FAA oversight and supply chain issues pose risks. China halts Boeing deliveries. In April 2025, China ordered airlines to suspend Boeing jet deliveries in response to U.S. tariffs on Chinese goods. This impacts Boeing's 737 MAX, as China is a key growth market. Analysts suggest short-term redirection of jets to other airlines is feasible, but long-term restrictions could hurt Boeing, especially with Airbus's dominant position in China. Qatar Airways rethinks 737-10 order. Qatar Airways is considering canceling its 2022 order for 25 Boeing 737-10s due to improved relations with Airbus and delays in MAX 10 certification, not expected until late 2025. The airline may swap for 737-8s for partners like Rwandair or Virgin Australia, aligning with its predominantly Airbus narrowbody fleet. New routes driven by efficiency. Airlines are launching new routes using fuel-efficient aircraft like the A320neo and 737 MAX. Malaysia Airlines introduced 3 new India routes in 2023 with its 737 MAX 8, leveraging connectivity and economic demand, e.g., GDP growth. Efficient aircraft enable longer, thinner routes, connecting secondary cities and boosting network efficiency. Ultra-long-range aircraft enable new routes. Airbus's A350-900ULR 9,700 nmi range, and Boeing's delayed 777-8 8,700-9,100 nmi facilitate ultra-long-haul routes, such as Singapore to New York. These aircraft reduce fuel costs and emissions, allowing airlines to serve far-flung city pairs profitably. Airbus's A350-900ULR entered service in 2018, while Boeing's 777-8 remains uncertified as of April 2025. Context and implications. Airbus's A320neo family continues to outshine Boeing's 737 MAX in orders due to its earlier market entry, flexibility, and fewer safety controversies. Boeing's 737 retirements, original and classic series, reflect a shift toward modern, efficient aircraft, but production and certification delays hinder its competitiveness. New routes, enabled by fuel-efficient and long-range aircraft, underscore airlines' focus on connectivity and cost savings, though supply chain constraints and geopolitical tensions, e.g., China's Boeing ban, complicate fleet planning. The industry expects over 40,000 new aircraft by 2045, with Airbus and Boeing vying to meet this demand. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.